Hello and welcome back to the channel. This is Abhinav. In this video, we are going to talk about the problem A of round E 2021 kit start. So this is a problem based on the concept of anagram. So an anagram string is something which means two strings are anagram if the number of characters in both the strings are same. Means the number of characters means like if a first string has 2A and 3Bs, then the second string also should have 2As and 3Bs. Fine. So means exactly same number of letters, not characters, exactly same number of letters. So fine. And the arrangement of these those letters doesn't matter, but here they matter. Here what we have to find, we have to find a shuffled anagram. What is shuffled means Si is not equal to Ai, means the letter present in the first index of S should not be equal to the letter present in the first index of A. Same for second index, third index, and so on. So like this, and sometimes it's not possible to make these type of shuffled anagram. So we have to output impossible, means no anagram string is possible. So okay, so you can see here that my attempt is successful, my summation is successful. So okay, first we will discuss the logic, then what is the logic behind this. So for that I request so I have opened my whiteboard. So what I have done here, so basically what we have to do, we have to first check that is anagram is possible or not. So okay, maybe you got this logic that let's say there is a string of size n. Okay, let's say there is a string of size n. So uh, if there are, so there may be some identical letters also. Let's say there is a string s t, the string given in the test case, start. Okay, and there's a s t a t t. Let's say this is just it. So the anagram of the first one is possible, the anagram of the first one is possible, it is, which is given in the test case, but the anagram of the second one is not possible. The reason is this: there are three t's in this string. There are three t's in this string, and and we cannot arrange these t's in the uh, we should not arrange these t's in the particular indices where they are currently. Okay, where they are. So we cannot place these t's in the index 1, index 3, and index 4 in the anagram. Then which indexes are left? Indexes left are 0 comma 2. So there are only two indices left, and there are three t's. So we cannot apply, we cannot make an anagram of this string. Means if there are more than n by 2 letters of same type, more than n by 2 letter of anyone, then we cannot make the anagram. So that is what I have made the condition in my code. So let's check the code. So here you can see my VS Code. So here I have, what I have done. First of all, I have counted the number of letters in a particular string using the map. Okay. Now what I have done, if any letter is coming more than n by 2 times, then I have print impossible and the return means close the program or move to the next test case. Otherwise, what I am doing, I am doing my continuing my logic. So okay, let's continue the logic. So after that, what I am doing is okay. Let's say now we have checked that the particular is, that means anagram is possible. Anagram is possible in a particular string. So now what we will do? Now what we will do? Let's say this is start. Okay. So now what I will do? I will swap the letters. I will swap the letters, means I will swap the two letters from each other. Like how? So I will start from S. Okay, I will start from S. So what I will do, S, and then I will check for T, that is S is equal to, no, it is not equal to. Then I will swap S and T. So now it becomes T S A R T. Okay, and what I have done, I am just starting a loop from 0 to n minus 1. N is the size of the string. From 0 to n minus 1, then I am also applying a second loop, a j loop, which is starting from j is equal to, which is starting from j is equal to I plus 1. Means I am just checking for, let's say if I have to check for s, then I will check tart. If I have to check for t, then I will check art. So like this I am doing. Fine. So yes, we will say it in the code later. So first of all, understand the logic. So fine. And also what I am doing, I have made a boolean array where I am storing that if I have visited a particular index of the string or not. Like for example, in the first step I have swiped s and t. So I have visited these both the indices. So I will make both the indices to true, means I have visited. Okay. So when it comes to t, then it will not swipe again because I have already visited. Then it will come for a. Then it will check letter to a, means it will do the forward for j loop. J is equal to I plus 1. So for a, it will check for r. That is a is equal to r. No, it is not equal to r. Then it will also swap these two numbers. So now the numbers will become t s r a. Fine. Okay. So now it will check for so now these both the characters, these both the numbers are already started. So for then I will check for t, but for t there are no letters. There are no letters. So how can I check? There will be no I plus 1 because t is the last element. So for that I am doing this operation twice. I am doing this operation twice, in which what I am doing, you can say here that in this case, if I check for star, this t is not doing well. Fine. So what I am doing here, I am just swapping it once again by checking a loop once again.
Okay, so according to my code, my algo, it is not possible to change the last letter. Okay, it is not possible to change the last letter. So what for this, what I am doing, I am just checking that my final string is an anagram or it's not, and most probably only if it's not an anagram, like in this case, it is not an anagram, then only one character is losing, means only one character is not doing well. Like here it is t, means the last one, because we have not checked for it. So what I have done, I have again started a loop from 0 to n minus 1, and then reverse again the last digit with another one which is not equal to t. So this is what I have done. So I hope you understand the logic. So now I am explaining you the code. So okay, this is the code. So here what I have done, I have first make a boolean array of visitor, means is have I visited to a particular index or not. Okay, so now it is from I to s dot size. Now if visitor is true, means I have not visited that particular index, then I am continuing the for the second loop. Second loop is starting from I plus 1. Fine. So now I am checking, is I si is not equal to sj, means we can swap that number. Then we are swapping that numbers, and we are making j is equal to, means we have visited this. So making I is equal to true is means useless, because now we will increment I to plus 1, then we are not going to do I once again. Okay, so what we have, we have swapped the numbers and we have break. So by using this particular algo, the resultant string which we are getting is this one. Okay, this one, where there is error with the last letter, because we are not checking the last letter. Okay, so because we are not checking the last letter, we are getting this one. So for that, what I have done here, for that I have checked once again in this case that int index is equal to is anagram. Is anagram, I have made a function in is anagram, that if I string is an anagram, then it will return -1, else it will return I index where the characters are equal, means where it is